Kasi I didn't know kung okay lang bang kumausap ng tao. I didn't know kung okay lang bang at least magpakilala.
Kaya may mga nagsasabing parang,
Kaya po may
masungit yan.
misconception.
Oo, may misconception na, si Bianca, masungit yan.
Opo.
Aloof yan.
Opo.
Pero
And-
ang totoo, you're just, hindi ka lang marunong.
Yeah. For all of the times that I was misinterpreted and misunderstood and all of the misconceptions about me na mataray, masungit, hindi namamansin. Somehow po, Ma'am Cara, I got used to it at a point because hindi naman din po sa lahat ng pagkakataon ma-explain mo yung sarili mo sa lahat ng tao po eh. But really, when I do get to share this with people, what I always say is that yung mga panahon lalo noon na saradong-sarado ako sa mga tao, yung hindi